Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making our party jollof rice. Yes, so Nigeria jollof rice, that is what we are going to be making. And this is the ingredients. I already pour it inside already. Everything in here is inside. This is my tin tomatoes, the one I always use regularly. And this is my tomatoes. I love using these tomatoes because you don't need to be boiling it again because it's already boiled. This tomatoes is already boiled. A lot of people don't know, but I know that this tomatoes is already boiled. If you boil it again, the taste is gone. This is I use 2 of this and 1 of this. My onions is already here, and pepper and paprika, everything is inside here already. Let's get started blending it. Yes, this is the outcome of it. I already blend it. This is the color we have now. Very nice. Let me remind you, when you use the tomatoes cup, you don't need to boil it before using it. It's only the fresh tomatoes you can boil. For using this cup, you don't need to boil. Okay guys? Yes guys, and this is the fish and meat we are going to be using to eat the jollof rice. This is how I make my fish. Put it in back ovens. Everything is inside here guys. I spices it already. Everything is inside. You don't need to worry. All seasoning you want to use, just use it to rub it and put it inside. And this is my meat. This is my meat. Yes, this is my meat. All seasoning is in here already. You just close it so that it will not be too dry. I don't like when the meat is dry. I like it when it's still soft a little. You know, cover it. Though you can fry your meat, I just want this pattern this time around. I just want to back it a little. And this is my normal fish. This is tonsil fish and tilapia. This is what I just want to use now for the jollof rice. Stay tuned to the rest. Yes, this is the president's rice we are going to be using. Yes, the brown one. Yeah, this is, I will be washing it with hot water guys. Hot water. I don't parboil my rice. I use hot water to cook it, to soak it. Just leave it for 10 minutes, then you wash it out. This is the rice I will be using. Just pour hot water. I will be showing you guys how I pour my hot water. Then you leave it to soak. Then after 10 minutes you now wash. If you are not patient enough, just leave it for 5 minutes, then you can now wash. But I leave mine for 10 minutes. Okay guys, all right, stay tuned. Okay, we are going to pour in my hot water. This is the hot water I'm going to be pouring inside. The water have to cover the rice very well, properly. Let the water cover the rice. See, that is it. The water have to cover the rice. You see it now. Then you now look for your turning stick to turn it. You see it guys? Let us see it. Look for it and let it sit for 10 minutes. 5 minutes is also okay. but I leave my stick for 10 minutes. Yes, turn it until the rice gets scattered. You will not see this kind one inside anymore. This kind one. You have to turn it very well. Now we will now add our vegetable oil. Not much, just a little. This is my vegetable oil that I'm adding. I know the rice is done. Yes, just a little, because we are going to be adding butter too. You don't need to cook it much with your vegetable oil. The butter will cover it for you. And after pouring it, you leave it for some minutes to hot, so that the oil will hot. Okay, it's hot already. This is the, see, we are going to be using, this is the leaf. This it make the aroma to be delicious. This leaf, I'm going to be using to not to just, I just put it here in case of a scarcity. I'm going to be used two of it. And my onions, I'm going to turn it like that. See? Have to stir it. Stir it. Then I will be adding my curry in here, adding it. Depends. I love curry because I love using this curry. It's from Africa. And the thyme, this is the green thyme, very nice scent, and it give you this nice aroma you want for your jollof rice or your spices meat or fish. Yes. After leaving it, then we are going to be pouring in our tomatoes that we blended not quite long. This one, we pour it inside. Yes. You know, I told you guys that I don't love or like to boil it first, because it's already boiled. You can see it yourself. It's already boiled. That canned tomatoes is already boiled. A lot of people don't know, but for me, it's already boiled. You know, and the white people use it like that too, because it's already boiled. You don't need to boil it much, so that the ingredients or the things that is inside, the benefit of it, will just let out. Then we are going to be using these two Maggi. This is Maggi and this is no. We are going to be adding it in. One and the number two. I used two, then I added a little bit salt. Then we are good to go. Let me stir it. After adding salt, for me, I'm going to leave it a little bit before I add salt. I cover it first to boil, maximum 10 minutes to boil, really boil, before adding my rice, my washed rice. This is the outcome of the rice. You know, I pour hot water inside this rice, then we have to wash it now. This is the outcome of it. Like this. It's hot, it's hot. Just pour cold water in here, then you have to wash. Now we will now add water, normal water in here to wash the rice properly. You have to use your 2 hands to wash it properly. It's still hot though. You have to be careful so you don't burn your hand. You have to wash it like that. That is how we prepare it. Wash it very well. Wash it thoroughly. Yes, I've already washed it. This is the outcome of it. Then we'll now wait for our cooking stew to cook. Then we'll now add it inside. This is the outcome of it. Yes, this is the outcome of this. It's boiling. You see it? It's boiling. Then we will now add our washed rice. I'm going to be adding my washed rice now. And cover it. I'm going to be adding my wash. Yes, see, this is the salt we are going to be adding. Why I'm not using more salt is that the butter already have salt. Putting a lot of salt is not too good because I don't even like salt. This is the salt we will be adding. Then now pour it. After adding your salt, you have to stir. We taste for salt. Yes, it's nice. Then we'll now pour in our washed rice, little by little. Yes, we'll now pour in our rice. Okay. Stir. In this point, we have to lower our gas. Whatever you are using to cook it, you have to lower it. I would prefer to use this stick. This turning stick is very helpful and it's strong. So then, do you see the quality of the water quantity? I don't want much water because it's going to be. I'm going to put this folio paper to steam it. We need to steam, not to cook. Then cover it. Then I have to stir it a little again. Just stir it like this. It's good. Then I have to cover it. Cover it. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. Then you come back and check it. Then you have to be checking it. Don't let this rice burn. Don't let the jollof rice burn, please. You have to be checking it, turning it little by little. Now we are going to be adding our butter. Yes, our butter. We add it. 1, 2, just try. This is how I will be adding the butter. Yes. After adding the butter, then we will now stir it, turn it. Let this butter inside to stick inside. Then you now cover it. It's really nice. The aroma is a bomb. I think this rice will be delicious. The way it scents, the aroma of it. Then I cover it with this folio. Cover it with this folio. I have to cover it here. You need the heat to cook. Then you cover it. Like time to time, you have to be coming here to be turning in, shaking it. If it's burning down, turn it again, stir it again. And now we are going to leave it for 5 minutes. Then I come back to stir. Yes, we have to turn it now. Let me open it for the first time. Wow, do you see the beautiful color? Do you see this? Do you see that? Just see. Voila, very beautiful. And the aroma is so it's a bomb. Just see the aroma. You are not yet to test this food, guys. Try this food out. Let me know what you think about the food. Just try it. This is how I prepare my party jollof rice. Yes, so party's jollof rice, Nigeria party jollof rice. This is how we prepare ours. You see it, guys? Voila. You see, it's very nice and beautiful. You see it? Now you cannot test it now for salt. If you want to add more salt, you can test it. Oh my god, it's too sweet. It's too delicious. Please try it, guys. Try to prepare it the way I did now. Let me know how you think about it. Please like my video, share to your friends and family, and this is the outcome of it all. Our fish, our bacon fish is finished already. I have it already. It's already finished. This is the outcome of it. We are going to still be leaving it for a few minutes, like another 5 minutes. Then it's done for today. I have to cover it back with the folio and with the cover. This is the finished look. This is the finished look. This is the finished look. You see the sound of it, then you know that it's done. You see? Are you seeing it? I have to stir the ground. This is my finished look. It's so beautiful and tasted amazing. Outside the camera, it's so amazing. The color, I love this color. This is the way I prepare my own party jollof rice. Yes, this is the way I prepare my party jollof rice. So delicious. It's amazing. You see that, guys? The sand, it will sound like it's burning down, but it's not. Just keep on stirring, and this is the outcome of it. This is how I prepare my jollof rice. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah. Love you guys. This is the outcome of it.